things that I'm going to get ahead and do my hair with that I like to share. This is Hairstyle olive oil hair sheen, and this is what I've been using in my hair. It doesn't give me dandruff. It makes it very nice and soft, and you only get this at the dollar store. So Dollar Tree, thumbs up. Olive oil hair sheen by Hairstyle. Okay. I also get this. This is Edge Gel. And the reason why I like this Edge Gel, I use a lot of Edge Gels, but I like this one is because it's not thick. It's like a grease. It's nice and smooth. And it has shea butter in it. Both of these at the Dollar Tree. Now this is something I want to show you. This right here, I don't know how to say it. MOFAJANG. This is hair color. And I was putting a lot of hair color in my hair, but then I decided I may want different colors. So this is the box that it comes in. I will leave the link below in my description if you want to check it out. I love this stuff. This is the purple. I always keep this on here to just make sure it stays nice and fresh. But this is how it looks inside. It lasts for a long time. And I've tried the purple before. I may throw some pictures around here so you can see. And this is the gray. Now, I already have gray here, but I figure, why not add some more gray? And this is the gray. They come in red, orange, yellow. The only thing I am going to say with this is, I've done reviews on this. I've now used it now for 6 months on and off. If you're going to put this in your hair after you have washed it, and make sure that it has some form of oil or conditioner on, it will flake less. It will last up until 2 to 3 days. If you tie it down, if you keep it moist, it can last up to 7 days to reapply.